Hello. For Chapter 9, the test with a mean, you want to open the Excel file under Chapter 9 that says Hypothesis Test for Mean. And then you just have to plug this in and everything shows up that you would need. So for this first one, our sample size down here is 37. I guess we want to test the claim that the mean GPA of night students is larger than 3.1. So that would mean greater than. Alternative is always the one that would have the greater than. The null hypothesis is always equal to. And we want mu instead of p because p is for proportion. So with this one, the mean is greater than the 3.1. That's a right tail because it's going greater than. Less than would be a left tail, and not equal to is two tails. Now to find these values, we put n in. The population mean comes from the null hypothesis, 3.1. The sample mean comes from your sample of 37 people, which was 3.11. Standard deviation is also coming from that, which is 0.2. And then the alpha is your significance level, which is 0.1. We needed the p-value, which will be right here. It was a right tail, so it's the middle one, 0.381. And the significance level was given up here, 0.1. If the p-value is less than alpha, you reject. Our p-value is 0.38, so it's greater than, which means we fail to reject. Because 0.38 is greater than 0.1. Try one more. Okay, so this one's, we're testing it smaller than, so then it would be the less than or equal to 2.6. So it should have been the less than one right here. No, that's 6.5. Right here, 2.6. Which makes it a left tail because it's pointing left. Now to find these values, we go and change our values here. N is our sample size, which is 80. And then population mean is from the hypothesis, 2.6. And then go back to the sample again. The mean was 2.58. Standard deviation was 0.08. And our alpha is again 0.1. This time they wanted the test statistic and the critical value. So the test statistic is your t-value, negative 2.23607 right here. And then the critical values are over here, I think. Yeah, right here. And this one was a left tail, so it's the top one, negative 1.2924.